Hello, welcome to Maria's Indian Adventure. This is a voice over because the microphone malfunction when we were recording the install. We are installing the Homelink garage door opener to the Indian Challenger. To do that, we have to remove the covering of the gauges that is actually held by two clips and two velcros. The velcros is in the bottom, the clips are on the left and the right. We pry it with this plastic tool to give it a lift, just like that. And the harness connector there in the middle is covered by a rubber uh, covering, which we have to pry open because it's quite stuck there. So, gathering the tool, we are prying it open. And just like that, that square notch there is where the home link is going to sit. We're trying to locate the harness connector, which is behind the hole. I was trying to pull it out so we can see closer as to how it would connect to the home link. That's the home link right there. It has two programmable buttons, 1 and 2, so you can open a couple of garage openers if you like, depending on what you want to program there. So the home link would sit there in the middle. I was trying to see how it would look sitting there. I was trying to move the handlebar to get better access um, to the hole and the harness connector. The harness connector was actually, I thought, a little bit short, but I toggled it a little bit more and a little bit more, and it gave about 1.5 inches. The harness connector has a covering in it that needs to be taken out so you can easily plug it in. Otherwise, you would not be able to plug it if the covering is still there. So that's the harness connector. So I was trying to put it out in the hole, trying to make a way to connect it. It's a little bit clumsy because the harness connector is only so long, and the positioning on the middle of it is a little bit awkward. So trying to insert or connect them together was a little bit tricky. Or maybe it was just me. So I tried to align it just like that and then try to push it and try to hear it click. And once it did, then I know that it's connected. So after it's connected, I try to push it, but not all the way in, not flushed yet, because we're trying to test if the connection is done properly. So we turn on the motorcycle and trying to see if the screen would show, the right command would show that there is a garage door connected. So after that, there you go. That house icon right there, that shows that it's connected, and the button on the home link is blinking. So that means that the home link is properly connected to the bike. Now, to program it to your garage door would vary depending on what kind of garage opener you guys have. We happen to have a Genie, a 2013, maybe 2014 version of a Genie. So it took like some trial and error to see how to connect it. So for the most part, you only have to click the garage door opener and then click on either the 1 or the 2 button, and it will program it that way. For our particular garage door opener, we have to go to the actual garage opener base, click the programming there, and then click the garage door opener simultaneously with the home link. And that's how we had it done. Um, for other garage doors, you might have to just Google on how to connect the home link, or to program your home link so it will function properly. So once we have that done and the garage door going up and down, we are returning the gauge covering and basically just align the clips and just push and then push down. And now there is no finagling with the garage door because it's in the bike. Thank you.